Social media came out when we were in our early 20s, when it became a thing, but a lot of us kind of just got tired of it.
Yeah.
We were like on Facebook and MySpace and all that, but you have fully capitalized it, or much better than a lot of other people. And, you know, like I said, it's more of a young person's like opportunity to be active in social media for branding and marketing, telling people about the services or your business. Why don't you talk about kind of your mindset around, how your strategy with social media and posting?
Social media, you're right. It was not my thing. I didn't like taking the selfies. I didn't like posting about it. I just wanted to grind and make my success in the silence, as they would say.
Yeah.
But I had a mentor early on in the industry, and he always would tell me, he's like, post, take pictures, do before and afters if you can, try to get videos. And he actually is the one that inspired me to get my first drone and do the drone. And what I began to realize is, even though, well, I would say even though, because I don't really know, I didn't think I was getting much business from the social media side at the time. If I look back now, I was. I just didn't realize it at the beginning. I didn't realize that I was creating an identity, making a name for myself, putting content out there. I didn't realize it was getting shared. I didn't even know what, they're like, hey, you got 10 shares. I'm like, that's great. No idea what that meant. I'm going, let me hit the streets again. But now, looking at it, there's people that are doing leaps and bounds better than I am, but or that come up with better posts. I feel, I think what mine was consistency, consistently posting in my stories, consistently putting a post on my page, staying in front of people, and marketing and social media marketing is really a game changer right now in our day and time. I mean, a lot of the gurus that I watch, I'm sure you watch, are even talking about AI and staying ahead of the curve, and how much is transferring to social media. Is the old school door knock still effective? Yes, but utilizing that social media platform and platforms is it's essential in today's days. So I knew that if I wanted to continue to be successful, that was one of those things I was talking about. You've got to ebb and flow. You've got to move with the tide.
Yep.
and capitalize on it. So that's another thing. If you're getting into roof sales and you're brand new, definitely get on your socials, because if you don't tell somebody what you're doing, someone else is going to tell someone what they're doing, and you're going to miss that opportunity.
Oh man, that is spot on, man. That's another network marketing thing too.
Real interviews, real guests, no actors. Real talk, get prepared for free factor.